Are you living the life that you want to live? Do you want to be empowered and take control of your life? Then add Empower with Nancy to your podcast playlist right now. Empower with Nancy is hosted by life and business coach Nancy Davidson. Her passion is helping people just like you tap into your unique strengths, embrace your leadership potential, and live a life of fulfillment one day at a time. Each episode tackles real-life challenges. Recent show topics include being authentically you without judgment, overcoming the struggles of not feeling good enough at work, and how to conquer fears that keep you awake. Whether you're looking to boost your confidence, find your voice, or overcome personal hurdles, Empower with Nancy will guide you. Add Empower with Nancy to your podcast playlist right now on Spotify and Apple Podcast. Empower with Nancy, because your best life starts right now.
3 shifts, simple shifts, to transform your business in 90 days. So I really need you to listen up, hear me out. If you have a pen and paper, I would highly suggest that you take some notes. And if you're driving, you can re-listen to this podcast at your earliest convenience. So if you really feel like you're going on a daily grind, like you're grinding every day within your business, showing up every day, but your business still isn't where you want it to be, I'm going to tell you, something has to change if you're feeling this way. Trust me, I get it. You're doing all the things, posting, networking, trying new strategies, but it still feels like you're pushing a boulder like right up a hill and you're struggling. And if I'm being honest with you here, you might be overcomplicating it, overthinking it. But success isn't about doing more. It truly is about doing the right things consistently. Like I always tell my clients that try not to go in, give it time if you're trying something new, a process, or implementing something new within your business. Give it some time before you go in and change it, because then you're constantly on reaction mode. This is not working. Why is this not working? Then whatever the next shiny object is out there that's new, you want to try it. And that is not the best way to scale a business. So I want you to commit to these 3 shifts for the next 90 days that I am going to go over in my episode. Because if you do your business, it will never, ever be the same. Trust me. But I can only give you the advice, but you have to put the work into it. So are you ready to make a change within your business today? One of the biggest things that's so important is stop playing employee in your business. Okay, what does that mean? I see it all the time. Entrepreneurs spending all day on admin work, tweaking their website, overanalyzing things, responding to every email like it's so urgent. And at the end of the day, did you get anything accomplished? No. Or how about I explain to you that you are not an assistant? So maybe you have a virtual assistant, or maybe you just have an executive assistant. You're not a person to go in and do, as a CEO, as an entrepreneur, going in and doing all the admin work. No, you will never be able to scale your business. You are the CEO of your business. You are the owner. And business owners do what? They delegate, they automate, and they simplify. Let me repeat that again. Business owners delegate, automate, and simplify. So what do you do now? I want you to write down everything that you do in a day. Just take one day and really reflect and analyze on your business. Write down everything you do in a day. Circle the revenue generating tasks. Okay. And then find a way to delegate or automate the rest. If you're not clear the space for growth for your business, you'll always be stuck in the maintenance mode of your business. Every day, we are constantly doing what? We sell every single day. And what I mean by selling every day, you're constantly having communication, conversations, and selling sometimes your business, selling the fact that it might be a good idea for something. Whatever it is, we're constantly selling. So this one's going to sting a bit for you. Okay. But I'm going to say it with lots of love and support. You're not making the money you want. You're probably not selling enough. And I don't mean posting and hoping that people are going to reach out to you. Maybe you're posting on Instagram or Facebook or, LinkedIn. Whatever type of owner that you are, could be a coach, it could be a mortgage lender, it could be a broker, it could be, that you're doing lashes, it could be whatever type of business, even if it's a storefront business, whatever business that you serve, I really want you to take the time and talk with people. Do the follow-up, make an offer, bring the value to the people. Because if you don't ask for the sale, you won't get one. And it's the same within my business as a coach. It's not like selling and making money. It's not all about the money. The most important thing is it is about the value that you're providing. It's about what it is that you do for your business. How are you different than another business? Right? And we all have bills to pay. We have to make money to invest more within our business to make things easier and streamlined, right? Because you're constantly having to work on the business. And as a CEO, you shouldn't be constantly working in your business. So here's the challenge for you. Every day for the next 90 days, I want you to make an offer. Post it, DM somebody, book a call, do a webinar, whatever it is that you sell. But don't overcomplicate it. Make it simple and stay consistent. Not once in a week, right? Like, don't do it one time a week. Do it daily because repetition builds what? Momentum. And momentum brings results, period, the end. No one is going to do the work for you, right? You are the CEO of your company. So you have to, I'm not saying work harder, you want to work smarter because the people are not going to come to you. You've got to go to them. And here's the thing. If you keep thinking, deciding, and showing up the same way you do now, you're going to keep getting the same results. So the faster way to grow is start making decisions from the mindset of your future successful self. Okay? Mindset is everything. Ask yourself every morning, if I already had the business I wanted, how would I show up today? Would you be hesitant? Would you overthink it? Would you play small? Absolutely not. You would be moving boldly, taking action, and making decisions from a place of confidence. So I want you to do that now. And when we don't have that confidence in ourselves, that's when we start to think based off reactionary. We're thinking about all kinds of different things to help your business instead of just staying focused on what it is that you have to do on the day-to-day basis. So here's your next move, okay? Look, I don't want you to just hear what I'm saying. I want you to implement it. And so I want you to audit your daily task and get rid of the fluff, the things that just doesn't work for you. Okay. Make a direct offer every day for the next 90 days and show up as the CEO, not the overworked employee that you've been grinding on every single day. And at the end of the day, you're not making a sale. You're not making a difference within your business, right? What kind of value are you bringing? Value and culture to your business, to your team, to your staff, to your clients. What does that look like for you? And if you're serious about taking this further, check the captions in my episode here because I have this full breakdown for you. And the strategy here is waiting for you. However, what are you going to do with it? Your next 90 days starts today. Are you going to start? Are you going to procrastinate? Are you going to make a difference? And how are you going to show up every single day for the next 90 days? I hope this episode was helpful for you. With gratitude, Nancy.